How to use a sex toy. Hi everyone, this is Martha. I'm a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist. So do subscribe below so you never miss a thing. When it comes to sex toys, I guess you can separate them to toys that vibrate and toys that don't. There's just so many different possibilities here. I can't even go into all of them. But the first thing I would do is when I have a new sex toy, I will look at it. I will read the instructions, I will read the box, and see like what are some of the things that I shouldn't be doing with the product. And then I will start playing with the toy. I would look at the features. For instance, if it's a vibrator, like what are the vibration modes and how strong it can go, and whether like I know how to use all the buttons, for instance. So I'll just play around with it. So read first, and then play around with it. Then the next thing is when I am actually in my safe space, when I'm having my own private time, then that's when I will really go for it and really like test with my body, like how the product feels against my skin, for instance. Yeah. So there's really no right or wrong when it comes to using a sex toy. They are actually just designed to help. They are designed to empower, to enable. And so they are really just there to help you, and you don't have to go into like I'm using it in the wrong way. There are some safety guidelines around toys, but I would have to say in general, there's no right or wrong. You know, a vibrator can be used to massage your head or your neck or your nipples. It's really up to you. It doesn't have to be just for digital penetration. It doesn't have to be just for that. When use the toys as they were designed, as they were intended. So for instance, like only use toys that are designed for the anus, So also when it comes to the use of lubricants with your toy, you want to be mindful that in general, silicone lubricants are not to be used with silicone sex toys. There are some silicone sex toys that offer higher quality, and that's fine, but just to be on the safe side, silicone lubricant, not with silicone sex toys. Water-based lubricants will be safe for everything. And if we're talking about lubricants, then yeah, do check out the ingredients and ask the sex toy shop that you plan to purchase from, like what are the things to be aware of. Say for instance, if you're very sensitive, you are prone to yeast infections, then definitely avoid glycerin, for instance. So this has been Martha, just sharing with you 3 very simple tips when it comes to how to use a sex toy. The first one is look at the box, look at the instructions, look at the safety precautions. The second one is just look at it, play around it, test it on different parts of your body. The third one is when you are in your private time, private space, then that's when you can explore your whole body and just focus on what feels good. So this has been Martha. Do subscribe to my mailing list so you never miss a thing. And it is eroscoaching.com.